So after I finished setting up all the lights, I then cleared my desk and got started organizing my stationery and setting it up on my desk. So I had actually already organized these particular acrylic drawers before I decorated my desk, but these drawers have from top to bottom my favorite stationery, so mild liners, Sarasa pens, Sablo fine liners, Muji gel pens, and Pilot Juice pens. So all I had to do was just put it in the corner, and then I added some winter decorations. So next, I started organizing this makeup organizer that I've had for many years now, and I just filled it up with a bunch of different Sablo highlighters and also MT washi tape. So this is my bin where I have most of my new or not very used stationery, and it just piled up over the years because I've just bought a lot of different stationery or gotten it as gifts. So I'll be trying to use some of these throughout the year and also giving away some of these to you guys since I definitely don't need this much stationery. But I just decided to have all my new stationery in one place so I can easily use it, and also as a reminder not to buy too many new items before using up the ones I already have. So the bin I put in the middle of the desk, and the makeup organizer I put slightly to the left of it, and then in the left corner I decided to have this wooden log roll. And these two porcelain white houses. And in the wooden shelves, I just filled up with some Post-its and washi tape and my acrylic pen holders with Stablos in them. wish all of you an amazing 2020. Even if you're watching this far in the future, I hope your 2020 was amazing, and I hope all your New Year's resolutions come true and goals and just everything goes amazing for you this year. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this desk tour / setup with me. That's all I have for today's video, so bye guys!